Hey everybody, this is part 2 of my video that I wanted to show you where I've hooked my water up underneath instead of the inside. So if you've watched the previous video, you'll know that I've took my tanks out of the inside now and powered it from outside. So what I've done is bought a Fiamma 23 litre water tank that I can just sit here by the side of my van comfortably. Same water pipe, but just lengthened the electrical cable to the pump. I've actually done that correctly, being an electrician myself, using heat shrink and crimps, so that is completely waterproof now. This I can detach from this point here, which I've just got a little 10mm through connector to join up my water. Now these pipes I took back up into a box underneath that I've fitted, but this is just a speed connector, just a 20 amp connector that you can buy from most electrical wholesalers. And as you can see, it's got a quick release pin at the top here. I can just click that out, pull it out, disengage it, disengage this piece of pipe, and that's basically just the loop that I take with me and then connect up for my water. The waste pipe I've actually just got running off here for the moment at 22, which goes underneath and through into this point. I will make a clearer video when I can get underneath and get a bit more lighting, but that's basically where my waste is at the moment. I'm just showing you where it's running off onto the ground at the moment, but I do actually have a waste container that I keep underneath the van, especially when I'm on campsites such as this, where, you know, they can be a little bit funny that you're running grey water off onto the site. So that's basically how I've got my setup. Now these Fiamma water tanks are really good, to be honest, compared to having the water tanks inside. I mean, 23 litres that we've got here, we're only walking sort of 15 yards to the tap on this site. But anywhere further, at least you've got the wheels to roll back, stick it there, and we're not constantly filling up. The only thing I haven't thought of yet is how to keep this bit enclosed away from bugs and things. So at the moment, I've just been putting a carrier bag there, tuck it in, and that'll be that. But I'll come up with a different design and, you know, probably buy a spare Fiamma lid. If I had a spare Fiamma lid, I could take this one, keep this one spare for when I'm carrying the water, and then have one with a hole in ready for my pump, and then make it part of the pump and cable, so I can just connect it up, screw it in, and then it's nice and sealed with a 20mm hole for the pipe and cable, and then just seal it up with a grommet. But I hope that's been a little bit clearer for anybody. If anybody wants to ask any questions or find it helpful, please leave me a like. I've not had anything yet, so I'm purely making these videos just to help everybody. So if it is clear to you and it has gave you a bit of a better idea how to do things, please just leave me a little like and a little bit of something on the bottom as a comment. Thank you very much.